Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make interactive Google Slides with Canva. Combining the unique design features of Canva with the practical use of Google Slides is a powerful way to create engaging presentations that capture your audience's attention. Whether you're presenting for business, education, or a personal project, making your slides interactive can elevate the experience and efficacy of your message. Let's get started. First, head over to Google Slides. It's always good to begin with the end in mind, so you'll want to access your Google account if you haven't already. Simply open your browser and go to Google Slides. If you're not signed in, take a moment to enter your credentials. This step ensures that all your work is automatically saved and easy to access later from anywhere. Once you're on the Google Slides homepage, you'll notice several options to choose from. You have the choice to start fresh by clicking on Blank Presentation, or if you're looking for a more structured beginning, select a template that aligns closely with your needs. Now let's pivot and enter the creative realm with Canva, an ingenious tool for designing visually stunning slides. Open Canva in your browser and sign in. If you don't have an account yet, creating one is quick and free. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by Canva's user-friendly dashboard. Here, you can either start designing your slides from scratch or select from thousands of professionally crafted templates, which can be customized to fit the theme of your presentation. When designing your slides in Canva, remember to keep interaction in mind. One effective approach is to focus on the key elements that will bring your slides to life. Think about incorporating elements like hyperlinks, videos, or transitions that will engage your audience on every slide. Use Canva's drag and drop interface to experiment with different fonts, images, backgrounds, and graphics until you're satisfied with your design. Once you're happy with your slide designs in Canva, it's time to integrate them into Google Slides. Simply download your finished Canva slides as high-resolution PNGs or JPEGs. Then, you can insert these images back into Google Slides, where you can further enhance interactivity by adding links, setting up collaborative editing, or incorporating Q&A sections for your audience. That's it! You've seamlessly combined the stylistic prowess of Canva with the functional excellence of Google Slides to create interactive and visually captivating presentations. By following these steps, you can transform an ordinary presentation into an extraordinary one. So get creative and enjoy the process of making your presentations truly interactive and unforgettable.